The following is a blizzard warning from the National Weather Service, which includes the following counties in Illinois: Cook, DuPage, Grundy, Kane, Kankakee, Kendall, Lake, McHenry, and Will, and the following counties in Indiana: Lake and Porter. Blizzard warning in effect until 11 a.m. Central Standard Time Monday. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a blizzard warning, which is in effect until 11 a.m. Central Standard Time Monday. The winter storm warning has been canceled. Timing: heavy snow will continue during the late morning and persist through early Monday morning. Blizzard conditions will develop this afternoon across the warning area. Winds and visibility: winds from the southwest at 35 to 45 miles per hour with gusts as high as 50 miles per hour are expected. Visibility will be down to near zero in blowing and drifting snow, causing major whiteout conditions. Snow accumulations: 10 to 20 inches expected with local amounts to 24 inches possible. Impacts: snow-covered roads and near-zero visibilities will cause hazardous driving conditions. Travel is strongly discouraged. A blizzard warning means severe winter weather conditions are expected or occurring. Falling and blowing snow with strong winds and poor visibility are likely. This will lead to whiteout conditions, making travel extremely dangerous. Do not travel. If you must travel, have a winter survival kit with you. If you get stranded, stay with your vehicle.